As Israel stood on the threshold of the Promised Land, God, through Moses, gave them a grave command, not only to take possession of the land, but to purify it. Deuteronomy Chapter 7 is not just a military instruction, it is a spiritual declaration. You shall drive out the nations before you, not for your own strength, but because the Lord your God goes with you. When the Lord your God brings you into the land and clears away many nations before you, you must utterly destroy them. Make no covenant with them and show no mercy. To modern ears, this may sound harsh, but this was not ethnic hatred. It was a protection of the covenant. The Canaanite nations were steeped in idolatry, child sacrifice, and spiritual corruption. God was not merely removing people. He was removing poison to preserve the holiness of His people. Tear down their altars, smash their pillars, hew down their asherim, and burn their graven images with fire, for you are a people holy to the Lord your God. The Church reads this not only as history, but as spiritual warfare. Just as Israel had to destroy idols and reject paganism, we are called to cast out idols from our own hearts, anything that replaces God in our lives. In the Catechism of the Catholic Church, idolatry is not just bowing to statues. It is putting anything before God: pride, greed, lust, career, or even relationships. We are to destroy these interior idols, not by violence, but by conversion, confession, and grace. Know therefore that the Lord your God is God, the faithful God who keeps covenant and steadfast love with those who love Him and keep His commandments. Holiness is not isolation, it is faithfulness, remaining in covenant with God even when the world offers comfort, compromise, or confusion. Israel was chosen not because they were great, but because God is faithful, and He calls His people, then and now, to be set apart, pure, and ready for His purpose. Deuteronomy 7 reminds us, the battle is not just outside, it is within. Tear down the idols. Keep nothing that draws your heart from the Lord, for He is faithful, and those who walk in holiness will dwell in the land of promise, not only on earth, but forever in heaven. This is Deuteronomy chapter 7, according to the Catholic Bible.